Guys, it's like 6 o'clock in the morning and it's starting to rain and we're running to our gym.
Guys, it's like 6:30 in the morning and it's raining out. Come on, baby.
Beat the rain.
Come on, we gotta keep going. Come on. Go, baby, go, 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 go. Cars. Oh, my baby all wet. You got left behind.
I know.
You had to save the purse.
Alright, we made it to the gym and I'm kind of wet. But we're about to work legs, so let's get it. Got done with the gym. We actually have a bank appointment at like 9.
You guys had appointments now for the bank.
We got some business stuff.
Yeah. Guys, we take too long to do shit. Okay.
I know. We say we're gonna do something and then we don't do it for like literally 2 months. So right now we're at Publix because we're trying to find a good grocery store. Oh, they have Starbucks in here. Oh my gosh. Guys, grocery shopping at Target is like kind of not it. So yeah. Oh, we come in here.
Guys, we have a Publix that we can actually shop at.
And it has Starbucks.
They got sushi. What? Guys, we're in heaven.
Your stupid packages.
Guys, she's been waiting for her packages to come in. And
I
she's
don't
not
get
getting
any of my packages. Ever.
So that's mine?
Yes. Ooh, guys, anytime we get any kind of package, we do a fashion show right away. Ooh. Oh, I like the little, what are they, patches or stickers or something?
Look at this dance. This is like that half TikTok like sidekick thing.
I like that.
They're kind of loose,
like
loose, but
it's like
comfy. Like I
yeah.
feel like I haven't been seeing it. Let me go see it.
Okay, okay. Go ball in the house. Guys, we went. We're literally playing like 4 different sports in the house. But on today's lunch menu, I have a wrap that's like a day old, and then some Starbucks. And
this is like brunch. This is like luncheon because it's only like 10:30. So.
Yeah, almost 11. So, and did you not see the wasabi right there? Guys, this water bottle. What are you doing? Is it spicy? Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't believe you didn't see the whole glob of wasabi.
Why would they put it underneath the sushi?
I think it fell in the car. Guys, I really need to go shopping because my outfit.
I fell in love with somebody that doesn't even know my name, Oh, why don't you know my name? Shoot, my friend, we out of here. I fell in love with somebody that don't even know my name. Ah! How do you get scared like that? How do you get scared like that? What's going on, Murphy? If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button, turn on your post notifications, and join the family. Guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we getting to 1 million by the end of the year.
He's in a singing mood today. See ya!
Guys, comment down below what you think we about to do. Guys, we are for real stuck on this elevator right now. You're like, no joke. This thing is for real stuck, guys. This thing is stuck. It is not moving.
What the f does it do that?
It's always as soon as I turn the camera on, too. 2nd floor.
I hate these elevators. It literally feels like we're gonna die on here.
Guys, so it's been raining a lot recently, and we thought, you know what, why not go to an indoor place and do something fun, be kids again. So we are at Karting, Miami. Woo. Abby, you ready to get some food or something?
You're gonna get food.
Guys, this is their actually first day open. They're letting us race for free. Come on, you ready? Guys, we have to film with our phones. We can't film with our cameras because we about to go kart. Look at all this. Baby, you about to get beat.
No, I'm gonna win.
Yo, this is crazy. Baby, you ready? Oh, this is mine. Oh, I get the pink one.
Mine's hot pink.
What are you talking about? Mine's hot pink. Hey, this is my baby's cart. This is mine. We gotta get both of those. All right, guys. So we just got done racing our first race. Guys, it was like my baby didn't even race.
You triple lapped me. I would.
As soon as I passed you the first time, I was like, might as well just lap her. I kept lapping her.
They go so fast. And
yeah, guys, they go so fast.
Let me tell you this really quick. So we looked up this place, right?
Yo,
and it said that they open at like 2 p.m. So we're like, okay, like let's go. And we get here and it's like the grand opening. Like they open 2 o'clock. Like this is their first day open.
This is their first day. Oh, we were their first customers.
That's sick. Like that was like so sick. So this place is called Dezerland Park, Miami. So if you're in the Miami
it's like
area,
right near the Aventura Mall.
Yeah, it's so.
Guys, you guys gotta check this place out. This place is so dope.
If you're looking for an indoor go-kart, like these,
they got everything too. They got go-kart. Look, guys. They got a pool table. They got go-karting.
And we're about to go outside.
They got food truck. They got arcade. Baby, got to have fun as hell for the next few hours.
I feel like a little kid.
Guys, this is like a little waiting area. It literally is like a real track. You know that? Like everything is set up real. The carts go just as fast. What do they go like? They gotta go at least 40.
No, something like that. Like
they gotta
30,
go at
40.
least 40.
It's fast.
Yo, guys, my baby was drifting.
They thought that the things were broke because I was going so slow.
What's on the menu for today? Guys, look at this scrumptious food. Look at all this scrumptiousness right here. Ooh, damn. Guys, food hot as hell.
It's so good. Like,
can we just come here for lunch? Get some go-karts, get some food.
Now that our bellies are full.
Round 2, let's go.
Alright guys, so we're about to ride for the second time. And I'm gonna win this one. 15,000 likes if you think I'm gonna win.
Oh, 20,000 likes for me.
No.
Yeah.
25.
So they told me to pass Montana in the middle of the race. She was going too
We
slow.
were literally holding up sign, let pass, let pass. I fell out of it like I was going fast.
No, you were going fast. I'll give you that. You were going fast. My baby just wouldn't let me pass, all right? You would not let me pass at all. She was cutting every corner, guys. I tried. I'll give you the first 4 laps, but I took the rest of the race.
Yeah.
Because I was gone. As soon as I passed her, gone. I was coming up the lapper and then it ended.
And then, but it's hard. My shoulders were hurting.
So go get this video to 20,000 likes. 20,000 likes. Because I won.
Dezerland Park. Guys, for real. You want to come and have like a date day and just like have fun, date night, whatever.
This place the spot.
Yeah, it really is.
Baby, I'm go-karting. I'm go-karting, baby. I'm go-karting. Wait, I was go-karting. I was drifting. Guys, it feels like I'm go-karting right now. All right, guys, so we hit that part of the video. The reason why you click on today's video. So we got back like 20 minutes ago. My baby is in the bathroom right now, taking a little boo-boo, whatever she does. But we were both talking about how tired we were. So I'm gonna be taking a nap. Now during that nap, guys, I got all the energy in the world. I don't normally take naps either, so this is gonna be crazy. But during my nap, I'm gonna be almost like I'm having a dirty dream. I'm making like dirty noises. I'm gonna see how she reacts. Oh my god. Damn. Oh, look at that rainbow. Hold up, wait a minute. So I'm literally just gonna pretend like I'm already sleeping before she even comes out of the bathroom. And like I'm gonna wait just like 2 minutes and then I'm just gonna start having that dirty dream, make some dirty noises, and we're gonna see how she reacts. Let's get it.
Well, let me make a snack and then I'll come later with you. Okay? You don't want to play Vampire Diaries? You used to go for a little bit. I'm literally... Why are you doing that? I'm gonna be asking you about the sleep. Ryan, there's no way you're... Are you asleep? You are not asleep. Yeah? Uh-huh. You're asleep? Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah. Ryan, you're not asleep! Yeah. Why are you laughing? Yeah. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? What are you doing?
What happened?
What happened? What are you doing? What are you doing? You're stupid.
I was tapping that.
It better be mine. What are you doing?
Yeah. I was grabbing that.
Why?
I thought it'd be funny if I made like dirty noises in my sleep. I know we tired as hell too. We about to for real pass out. But I thought it'd be funny as hell if I made noises in my sleep.
Because I was like, if you're actually, yeah, because if you were like actually like,
It's crazy as hell because I filmed us too.
that's stupid.
Let me see what I was dreaming about.
You're stupid.
Yo, that's funny as hell watching me. That had to be funny as hell. Come on.
It was
Did you
funny.
laugh? Were you laughing?
Yeah, it was like,
I thought I heard you laughing.
I was laughing, but like at the same time,
I was laughing so hard on the inside, I was biting my cheek so I didn't laugh.
I was making sure you were dreaming about me.
Of course I was dreaming
And I
about
was like,
you,
when
baby.
you started freaking grabbing the couch, I was like, there's no freaking way you're freaking asleep.
Yeah, guys, go get this video to 20,000 likes. I first started grabbing that thing. I was like, Guys, my baby really put Vampire Diaries on. She thought we were for real about to watch it. No, baby, I'm going to sleep. Guys, my baby has gotten me into Vampire Diaries.
Finally!
Guys, I don't know. I caved in and we have nothing else to watch. If you could suggest any videos down below, comment them down below. I am literally like obsessed with this show right now.
I wanted to watch it again too because everybody always comments on how I look like Elena, so I was like...
Everybody comments that.
I swear, like everybody.
I think I could take Damon and Stefan. Hey, I kind of like that. That was like my dream.
Baby, show them the skinny jeans because we're getting a lot of comments, so.
Guys, we just posted a TikTok a few hours ago. Holy shit, blowing up.
Really? What is it?
Yeah, and it's because of my skinny jeans.
Oh my
shit.
gosh.
All right. Guys, we posted a TikTok and it was that one. And it was that one. But you can go watch those two videos, but I was wearing this outfit if you want to go watch those videos off of our TikTok. I'm wearing these skinny jeans. You guys can check them out. You can check out all that right there. But I do want to say this, guys. I'm wearing skinny jeans, yes. I wear skinny jeans, that's my closet. I'm gonna have to address this on TikTok too.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to because they're going off on TikTok right now. But I'm gonna show you guys something. I'm just gonna show you guys this, and I might do this again in a future video so that you guys can actually get a full feel. But I just wanna let you guys know, they're stretchy, okay? You guys know, that's stretchy as hell.
Yeah.
I can't be wearing no tight ass and walking around like this now. No, I don't do all that. I don't. No, that ain't me, okay? I can literally squat. Look at this. I can almost touch that ceiling. Come on now. I can literally do the whole Cardi B WAP dance in this look. Yeah. Look at that split, baby.
Yeah.
Guys, what I'm trying to say is these pants are stretchy, okay? I work out. I got some thick ass legs. I just can't help myself, okay?
It looked good. Everybody's time be impressed, okay?
It's just skinny. I can't help it. I have to get this waist size.
I swear.
I can still twerk though. You can see it, right?
I freaking can't. Guys, look at this. Look at that storm right there. You literally, over there, that's what you should be able to see. And look, oh my God.
I told them
them
a big ass storm was coming in.
Oh my, hell no.
But I'm gonna go ahead and close out today's video right here. We hope you guys were smiling, so go comment down below a smiley face. Get this video to 20,000 likes. 20,000 likes since I won Go Karting. And 2, I think my baby was wanting something before. She was wanting a part of that dream.
Okay, honeys, today's shout out goes to Summer Rexbro.
Shout out to you. We love you so much. But if you guys want to shout out at the end of our videos, all you gotta do is follow our Instagrams right here. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, if you guys smiled or laughed during this, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe for videos every day except the weekend. And we will catch you guys next video. Merk out. Peace.